Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to create a little program that gets a list of all the files in the current working directory. But before we do that, hit that subscribe button now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, we're going to start and create a little subroutine called list files. So and we're going to create an array here is equal to glob. Okay, glob gets a list of all the files and directories in the current working directory. So this is what glob will do. Okay, now we're going to loop through them using the for each loop. Okay. Files. Okay, make this look a bit prettier. And now we're going to print them out. So print . Okay, now all we have to do is call the program, which is simply list files. Okay, let's just save that. And there you go. Those are in the working directory at the moment. So my working directory. So a database, yes, new login text, Perl screenshots, yeah, so it's in my Perl file. That's the current directory I'm in at the moment. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-de-bye.